Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TrendLineses.com. So I want to make a video where I will do something very new. So I usually do some technical analysis on GameStop or AMC. I'm going to do the same, but this time I'm going to actually try to see what happens if I invert my chart upside down and try to apply the same rules to see if I would find another conclusion that would, for example, tell me that actually GameStop would go lower. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is the first time I'm going to do something like this. And I think it's very interesting to basically test Elliott wave theory and test kind of technical analysis and trying to basically use the same data that I'm having here, and where I applied all my Elliott wave counting that gives me with almost no doubt the conclusion that this would go higher. So once again, guys, I don't know exactly when, but what I see for now is that, the market is crashing. I mean, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, I work in Asia on the Japanese market, on the Nikkei. The Nikkei is just getting destroyed, guys, hammered every day. Right now, I took a day off for you to do this video, but I checked the markets and the Nikkei is dropping again. So when I'm going to go to work, I'm going to have a lot of stuff to do, but whatever. I want to make something funny, guys. So look at this chart. So what I wanted to tell you is that I'm impressed that, stocks like GameStop that, are kind of overvalued. I mean, it's not kind of, they're completely overvalued, but it's fine. Technical analysis is here to tell us if something is going to go higher or lower, not depending on the fundamentals, and I don't care that it's overvalued. I still think it would go higher. But here, I'm impressed that the stock is actually holding so well, guys, all right? Because you can see that, the whole tech sector is dropping heavily. So I'm not sure we can consider it as a tech, but I guess yes. And GameStop is holding actually quite well, guys, all right? Around the 145 area. So it's basically close to the levels it used to trade, in the past month. So it's kind of impressive. I think this is a very bullish sign. But whatever, here, look what I'm going to do, guys. Bam, invert the scale. So right now, I'm having something that is upside down. And it's the first time I'm actually watching at it. So I still have my countings. And here, I'm going to try basically to see if this is possible, that here we had heavy drop. All right. This market got destroyed completely. And now it's trying to bounce back. All right. So I'm going to see if I would be a buyer of this. So the first thing I would do, let me get rid of all the drawings. So I would make a trend line here. I would first go on a daily to have a better visibility. You can see that this market is dropping very heavily. Okay, so on a daily time frame, I would connect things like this. And then I would try to do some counting. So here I would have around this area breakout level. So let's put it, okay, around 110. It's funny, I'm going to find the same levels just, because I'm doing the same thing, but upside down. So here, I wouldn't be a buyer here, definitely. If I see a breakout here, I would wait for something like this, just on a daily time frame. Tack, 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 tack. I would wait for something like this if I want to enter GameStop. So inverted GameStop on the long side. So basically, if I need to short GameStop, I would wait it to break the 110 area, and then I would sell back the retest, whatever, just the other way around. All right, so this is one technique. I'm going to keep doing this. Then you cannot connect this and this. It doesn't make sense. We can still try, but those are definitely not the same waves. All right, it's not the same pattern. So then I would do some Elliott wave counting. So I would try to find my waves. So what do I have here? Definitely here I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very clean. Then I have an ABC. All right. And then the question I'm having is, what's that? All right. So I know this is our complex correction, but I'm trying to analyze it and trying to see what I can fit. So this is exactly what I'm doing, guys. All right. So here then I would have 1, this is my 2 that I'm trying to analyze, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this is my scenario that I'm having where I have the chart, you know, on the right side. And this is my 1, 2. Now you recognize it. All right. And so I'm just trying to do my 2. But let's do things fully, guys. And let's imagine that this is wrong. Let's imagine that this is a new move up, which is possible. That we started here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I can find a way to label it. Here I would have my ABC corrective. Fair enough. But what's that? What's that, guys? This is nothing. This is not a motive wave. Motive waves are clean. So I already see that we have problems. This might be a 1. Okay, maybe this is a 2. All right, we could do something like this. So then here I'm having my second wave, and this is a triangle, and this is the same triangle I had on the other side. Okay, but second wave can't be triangles, all right? So I'm suspecting it maybe to be a flat. Would this work? Let me go back on the, zoom in a little bit, go on the 4 hours time frame. Can I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here? This is not working. I'm not allowed to do this because here the third wave is the shortest, guys. So this counting is not correct. So we're having some issues here with this first wave, first thing. And here we definitely have a triangle. And triangles cannot be second waves. So this might be a zigzag. A flat. All right, so let's imagine this wave 1 is valid. Here we're having a zigzag, which is possible. Then here we're having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. All right, so this is the alternative scenario. If I want to believe this is bullish, this is what I would actually try to find. So we probably would have a correction back to the 160 level, then go to the 110, bounce back and go back. So let me now invert again. All right, interesting. Okay, so this is pretty scary, guys. So this is the scenario I would have if I invert the chart. And guys, you can trust me, it's the first time I'm doing this right now with you. So I'm discovering the results because, you know, I just don't have enough time to prepare this and do it, you know, in front of the camera because I need to go to work in 2 hours and I still have some videos to make. So what can we say here? We can say that we must be aware that this is on the table. All right, let me invert it again. And you see, when we actually look at things the other way around, we see the alternative scenario. But once again, I need to remind you guys that in this scenario, my wave 1 here is not nice. First thing. So for the scenario to be confirmed, we would need to break the 110 level. Right? So first, let's see if we go there. Let's see what happens here. But definitely, if we break the 110 level, I would have no other choice than turning bearish. As long as this is not happening, so let me invert it again. As long as we stay above the 110 level, I am bullish and I prefer my other scenario that I'm gonna show you guys quickly here. Okay, my other scenario is, this is a 1, this is a 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this is my other scenario. This is corrective. Here you see it's better because this one fits much better, guys. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I'm having this complex correction. So this is for now my preferred scenario, but as you guys just saw, we need to keep in mind that there is an alternative scenario that might actually go back to very low levels, and the breakout level that is giving me everything is the 115 level. All right, so as long as we stay above this level, we are safe, we are bullish. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new, and stay close to shore. I see you guys.